At Poppy by Royal Repast, we are preserving the culinary heritage of Bedla family. The family is known for the gaming recipes, the old traditional recipes which are served nowhere all across Rajasthan or all across India. Old age recipes that took a lot of time to get prepared. We have somehow found techniques to put those recipes into restaurant format without compromising on the taste. To involve the local culture, the local people over here. So the chefs inside, most of them are from Rajasthan. The second thing is we source local spices from the local markets of Udaipur. I would want the people coming here to try the cuisine or the dishes that are not being served anywhere else.